on this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can make $50 per hour into your PayPal accounts working from home wherever you are in the world. This method does not require any skills, it does not require any experience. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you're going to come on this website, userfield.com. On this website, you are going to be testing websites, applications, and other products so that you can be making money from home. This website is one of the best that you can use to make money testing products because you are not required to have any skills before you sign up for an account. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, get paid to test. Once you click on get paid to test, you can see right here, become a tester of websites, apps, and earn $3 to $30 per test. So this is the amount that you are going to be earning. It depends on the duration of the test. So if the test will last for more minutes, you are going to be earning more money. If the test is just a short period, you are going to be earning less, but you are not going to earn less than $3, as you can see it right here. As you can see right here, each test lasts 5 to 60 minutes and is completed with your computer, tablet, or smartphone. So any device that you have, you can use it to make money on this website. Most tests are 20 minutes where you earn $10. So if you take a 20 minutes test, you are going to be earning $10. So it is easy for you to make money on this website because you can do it from your home, and the best part is that you can work anywhere you are in the world. If you want to get more information about the website, just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see what do usability testers do. They conduct usability tests on websites, apps, or prototypes. Their job is to imagine a given scenario and perform certain tasks like finding a product in an online store, going through the checkout process. This helps site owners find and fix usability issues. So what you are going to be doing is that they are going to give you a website so that you can go through the website and then find any problem that you have when you use it. So once you identify the problem, you are going to tell the website owner so that they can fix it. Most website designers want people to review their design so that they will get to know the problems and then fix them before they get the website to the general public. So you are going to be the first person to test the website before it goes public for people to begin using the website. So that is what you are going to be doing. You don't need any experience. When you scroll down, you can see right here, do user testers need to buy products or service from the websites they test? The answer is no. You are not required to buy anything. They will give you everything for free so that you can test it and then give your feedback for them to improve on the quality of the product or the website. You can see what equipment do I need to be a tester. Let me read it for you. You can see in order to test websites and get paid, you need to have a Windows or Mac computer or a mobile phone or a tablet. If on Windows, you need to have Windows 7 or newer. Your device also needs to have a microphone, either internal or external. If you need to buy an external microphone, even the cheapest one selling for around $2 will work. So you can get one at a cheaper price if you don't want, you are going to be using the internal microphone. Should I use my real name, address whilst conducting a test? No, the answer is no. You should use fake details whilst conducting a test. Never use real credit card details, home address, social security numbers, phone, or passwords. As for email, since some services require an authentication based on it, you may create an email address just for the test. So you don't have to enter your real information. You have to use fake details. If you use your real information, some people might scam you. So make sure you take note of that. Use fake details to test the products. What the product owners need is that they just need your feedback. They need your honest opinion on the product. They don't need your details. So make sure you are careful with your information when you are testing products. As you can see, in what language should I speak? They are going to give you the test based on the language that you understand. So if you state that you understand English, they are going to be giving you tests in English. You are not going to be asked to speak in languages that you do not understand. So whatever language that you understand, they can send you a test based on that language, and you are going to be getting tests to perform. So the hack is that make sure you state that you understand English, because most of the products that you are going to be testing, they require you to understand English. So make sure you state that you understand English. What is the qualification test and why do I need to take it? So you can read more about the website. So just search for the website. Once you search for it, you can read more about it. Once you read more about it, if you like it, you can join to be making money on this website. You can see how do I get paid and how much. After the initial qualification test, which is not paid, you get paid $3 for 5 minutes test, $10 for 20 minutes test, $20 for 40 minutes test, $30 for 60 minutes test. You will receive payment after approval about 1 week after the test. So once you are able to test the products, the product owner will verify your work and then accept it as authentic before you are paid. So make sure you visit the website and then read more about it, so that you can understand everything that you need to know about this website. Once you understand what you are going to be doing on the website, you can click right here, create user test. So once you click on that, you can create an account so that you can be getting tests on this website. Once you perform those tests, you are going to be making money from home wherever you are in the world. Apart from this website, you can also come on this website right here, Taxvest.com. On this website, you are going to be paid to do simple tasks, and the best part is that wherever you are in the world, you can see complete paid tasks from anywhere in the world. So wherever you are in the world, you can also work on this website and then earn money from home. There's no experience or skills requirement. What you have to do is that you have to search for the website and then sign up for your accounts. Once you sign up for an account, you can begin to be making money on this website. So when you come right here, you can see they have flexible and remote jobs. So once you join, you are going to be working on your PC. You don't need to move to any location. You can work at your convenient place and you are going to be making money. You can see get paid on time per task you complete. Payments will be automatically added to your Taxvest account. So once you complete the task, the amount that you earn is going to be automatically added to your Taxvest accounts. When you scroll down, you can see these are the steps that you have to follow before you create an account. So you have to sign up for an account. Once you sign up for an account, you are going to fill your profile so that they can give you the appropriate task that you can perform. So make sure you fill out authentic information about yourself so that they can use it to give you the appropriate task that match your skill level. Once you fill your profile details, you can then pick a task and then perform. Once you perform the task, you are going to be paid. So it's just simple as that. And when you scroll down, you can see right here, these are some of the tasks that you are going to be performing on this website: digital customer experience, AI data labeling, content moderation. Apart from that, you can see annotate images, record speech, tag words, transcribe audios. So these are some of the easy ways that you can use to make money on this website. Transcribing is very easy, so you can use AI to transcribe the audios and then send them to the website. Once you send them, you are going to be paid. Tag words, just this is a demonstration. You can also tag words to earn money on this website. This website, they also pay well, so if you are able to complete the task, you are going to be earning money on this website. When you come on Google, you can see right here, I just search for how much they pay per task, and you can see they pay around $10 to $50 per task that you complete. You can see it right here.